That dreaded silence. Your morning routine ruined by a Dyson that just won't turn on. Like our customer here, your Dyson hair dryer suddenly stops working. It's not just an inconvenience, it's a disruption. What's going on? It could be anything from a faulty wire to a motor issue, or even a problem with the heating element. Without it, your perfect hair day is a distant dream, and your morning routine feels incomplete. So what do you do? Maybe I can fix this myself. You search online, find a few DIY videos, and grab your tools. Try to fix it yourself? Go for a risky DIY job that could cause more damage, complicate the issue, or even be dangerous. Misdiagnosis, shoddy parts, even further damage to your beloved Dyson. The fear of making it worse, the anxiety of wasting money on a temporary fix, it's all too real. This isn't just about getting your hair dryer working again, it's about getting it working correctly, safely, and for the long haul. That's why relying on an expert is crucial. Don't let the fear of a permanent hair dryer graveyard hang over your head. But what if there was a better way? A professional, trustworthy solution? Stop guessing. Stop risking it. Instead of relying on personal instincts or trying DIY, which has many risks, it's better to trust the experts at RoboCare. With RoboCare, getting your Dyson back to life is simple. Here's how simple it is. Book online or give us a call. You can choose our convenient courier service or drop off your dryer at our service center. Our certified professionals will conduct a thorough diagnosis and will keep you updated every step of the way with transparent email notifications. We only use genuine parts, ensuring your Dyson performs just like new. Don't let a faulty hairdryer ruin your day. Trust RoboCare for reliable, expert Dyson repairs.